Hello, my name is Jessica, and today Aisel, Halima, and I will be going over the background knowledge you need for this week's C3 task.
Air resistance is the force that opposes the direction of an object that is falling as it passes through the air. It acts as a drag force that ultimately causes the object to fall at a slower pace. Gravity, or the force due to gravity, is the force that acts in opposition to air resistance. It is the force that causes objects passing through the air to fall to the ground. Increasing the air resistance will help an object fall at a much slower pace.
Like any other planet, Mars exhibits its own gravitational pull, which is the force that a planet will exert to draw objects towards its center. Any object with mass will exhibit gravitational pull. Note that objects with a greater mass have a stronger gravitational pull. Since Mars has a lower mass than Earth, its gravity is 3.72 meters per second squared, while Earth's is equal to 9.81 meters per second squared. However, this value can vary depending on which part of Mars you are looking at. In turn, this can affect the entry of objects into Mars' atmosphere. This image shows how gravity is different depending on which part of Mars you are looking at. The areas colored in blue, green, and purple indicate areas of low gravity, with purple having the lowest gravity. The areas colored in yellow, orange, red, and white indicate areas with high gravity, with white having the highest gravity. Areas with a higher gravitational pull will pull objects towards them more strongly. Furthermore, certain parts of Mars are higher than others in terms of elevation. This image was taken from the Google Mars site. The highest point on Mars are colored white, while the lowest points are colored a dark purple.
This image shows all of the surface features on the planet Mars. For your interest, I will point out some of the most notable geological features, with the first being Olympus Mons. This is an extinct volcano located in the Tharsis region and is estimated to be 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Next, Tharsis Rise, which is a large bulge located at the equator or center of Mars. Also, the Hellas Basin is also another interesting feature, as scientists believe that it was created by a meteor impact. These are just a few of the many landmarks located on Mars. Another concept to learn that will help you succeed in your task is the difference between distance and displacement. Distance is the total length traveled by an object, while displacement refers to how far an object has traveled from the starting position. Let's go over a quick example to help make this difference more clear.
Let's say that Jane here wants to go from her house to her friend's house, and this is the path she takes. To find the distance, we would need to determine the total length she has traveled. In this case, that would be 1,750 meters, which you get by adding 500, 750, and 500 together. To find displacement, we need to consider how far she is from her original starting position, which is her house. Note that for displacement, any movement up or to the right is a positive displacement, while any movement down or to the left is a negative displacement. In the y direction, we see that she has moved 500 meters down and 500 meters up. When these two values are added together, we get a displacement of 0 in the y direction. In the x direction, she has displaced positive 750 meters because she moved 750 meters to the right.
In video 2, we will be going over how to use the Scratch software.